Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, as I mentioned before, I love getting gadgets that you can use for more than one thing, and that is the case of the Instant Pot. I mean, you have pressure cooking, you have rice cooker, you have a stew, a slow cooker as well. I mean, so many different settings when it comes to this Instant Pot. But let me show you one of the settings that I love the most. So my favorite setting is the yogurt setting. And let me show you how easy it is to make yogurt with just 3 ingredients. So all you need is coconut milk, agar-agar, and your yogurt starter. The first thing you do is bring your Instant Pot to the boil setting and pour in your coconut milk and your agar-agar. Transfer that milk to another container, but run it through a colander. Now, once you do that, check the temperature that it's a little bit cooler. Stir in your yogurt starter, stirred in pretty well. Now transfer that mix to a glass container, pour in your water. Now you can incubate your yogurt for 24 hours. Once it's done, put it in your refrigerator for 8 to 9 more hours. Once that is done, you can go ahead and make yourself some parfait. So again, if you are looking for a pot that it is multifunctional, don't look no more and get yourself an Instant Pot. But hey, that is just my point of view.